Hello! Today, as you probably can see by my looks, we wanted to go to the beach, and then we parked our car and we saw this museum kind of thing. So we were like, what's this? And we went inside and it was about turtle rescuing, which is an important topic. We're like, let's take a look inside, and oh, it was so sad to see all of it. But now it makes this beach extra special because it has all of those nests, and you aren't allowed to go on the beach at certain times, so that at night time the turtles can go into the water when the eggs come out. It's not about my GoPro or anything at all, but I wanted to say this because I do think it's a very important topic, and I do want to do good in this world, and maybe I want to do something for the turtles in the future, and then you know where it started. So there's the beach over there. I don't know if you can see. It's a really beautiful beach. Very special now too. Feel a bit weird. This video is about the GoPro and just talking about a beach and the turtles felt a bit weird to me because it's not about the GoPro. So right now I'm going to the beach with my GoPro and I'm gonna swim for the first time with the GoPro in my hand, which is quite a bit scary, but I do think it's a good idea, and we shall see what the footage will look like. This is it. And yeah, wish me good luck. I went in the water with my GoPro. It went quite well, and there were some guys doing some cool tricks, so I asked them if I could film them and they were totally fine with it. May I film you? Yeah. Okay. Wow! Okay, one more. Thank you! And the cool thing was my dad filmed me while filming them. There's a clip from that right here. That I'm quite proud of myself for doing it, but like I said the other day, I want to have a GoPro handler next time so that I'm not afraid of losing it in the water. I'm proud of myself. I'm really glad. Today we're gonna go turtle spotting on a private boat, so someone else is our captain and then we can just take pictures and do whatever we like. So I told them I have a GoPro, maybe we will see a lot of turtles and then I can go into the water with the turtles and my GoPro, which would be awesome. So we shall see, but I'm super pumped to be honest. The best time on the boat. So this girl came up to us. She was in the water already and she was snorkeling with her boyfriend, and she asked me, "You want to try?" So I said, hold it very tightly, okay?
Okay. Okay. Already filming?
Yeah.
Now I don't press nothing? No. Okay.
And she took the best footage and I'm so happy. Thank you so much. And this is how you get to the beach. This is our last evening, and for this last evening we're going to watch the sunset. And what I'm going to try here is the time-lapse option that's on the GoPro. I've made so many time-lapse videos before, but I always did that on normal camera, and with editing you just speed it. Now on the GoPro there is this time-lapse option, and I'm gonna use it. I really hope it's gonna work out. And then after that will wrap up this trip and this video. After this video there will be another video about the same trip where I used the footage from the GoPro too. So I hope you'll stay tuned for that and you'll enjoy that as well. But for now, this is the video mainly about the GoPro and about my journey with it while using it on my first trip. Again, I'm gonna try to catch this beautiful sunset while being here, and then I hope I'll see you next time again. So, this is after the sunset, but I had to tell you this before. There were so many people here, I had no idea. I was like, this is the perfect view, this is the perfect shot. There will be 10 people here and I'll just tell them, well, I have a GoPro, so please don't be in my shot. No, there were like 70 people. And so many people were in my shot, and every time I was like, there's a GoPro here, please can you stand somewhere else? And then yeah, they walked away. Sometimes they were in my shot. That was very frustrating and so much stress because of it. It was an amazing sunset and the time lapse was good, apart from the fact that there were so many people in it. So enjoy the time lapse, and once again, see you next time again. I hope I'll see you next time again. And yeah, bye!